What's a dual carriageway, do you know?
2 lanes.
Yeah, 2 or more lanes
Okay.
in both directions.
Okay.
Yeah?
So it's basically that main road there.
Yeah. What we're
Okay.
coming up to. So you see this 118? We want to continue ahead.
We're gonna have to go into that lane there.
The middle one, because
Okay.
the left lane is going left only towards Wolverhampton.
Okay.
Yeah? So you know this middle lane? As soon as you cross the traffic light,
Yeah.
it's going to split in 2. You're going to
Okay.
have 2 lanes. The left is for normal driving, so that's where we're going to be in. Yeah?
Okay.
So what's the right hand lane for then?
Going straight.
Overtaking
Okay.
or turning right. Yeah? So if you're not overtaking or turning right, you should be in the left hand lane unless sign tell you otherwise.
Okay.
So for example, there's a sign that says left only, then you would move over to the appropriate lane. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to be talking to you too. While we stop here, if you look well ahead up there, what's happening to the 2 lane in a
They're
bit?
merging into one.
Very good.
And on this one.
So what do you need to be aware of?
Cars on this side coming, overtaking me.
Good. So if someone sort of trying to rush in front of you, you hold back. And
That's what they do here though a lot of times.
Yeah, well,
Like him, he could overtake me.
he's most definitely gonna anyway. Yeah. So you let him through, okay? Good. So keep going. Keep your position. Keep the position to the left and check your right mirror. Take your foot off your gas. Allow him. Good. Check again. See that white car coming now?
Yeah.
Move to your position. Back in your position. Check again. And it's safe now, isn't it? Nice. Understand? Yeah.
Yeah. He looks like he was on a race me though.
Well, I mean,
I ain't racing you, bro. Go away.
he wants to go about his business, isn't it?
I know.
His dinner probably getting cold and all of that, innit?